It's now the Matacog area, the project of the municipality of Talibon and San Agustin Barangay officials, which is called the Bird Sanctuary and Wild Pig Habitat. This is underdeveloping area because they are still planning to have this tourist destination in Talibon, Bohol. We are now to plant more trees in order to maintain the balanced ecosystem of our environment and to protect the global warming, to prevent global warming in our community. That's all. Thank you.